Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching this really quick video. Guys, we just wanna say if you're craving for a premium Leche Flan, make sure to check out Homemade Leche Flan by Regine. You can contact Regine on her Facebook and Instagram account o kaya naman sa kanyang mobile number, again flashing on your screen right now. Guys, I can attest to you, this Leche Flan is not your ordinary or typical Leche Flan. It's a premium Leche Flan. And for more information, check out how to order from Miss Regine. So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're craving for a Leche Flan, make sure to check out Homemade Leche Flan by Miss Regine. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Bye.